This is the Customer Journey Toolkit. This toolkit has been designed to seamlessly weave your campaigns into every phase of the consumer's buying journey, unleashing your campaign's full potential. Whether you're brainstorming solo or with a team, this toolkit acts as a catalyst, sparking creativity and fostering unique, innovative ideas. And for all the marketing and brand agencies out there, imagine impressing your clients not just with a proposal, but an experience. Bringing this toolkit to the next meeting or workshop for a hands-on, engaging, interactive session they simply won't forget. Now let me show you how it works. Using the colour-coded cards, start by laying out the customer journey in the right order, starting with dreaming and ending in sharing. This is a journey that every customer takes when planning and purchasing a travel-related product. First up is the dreaming stage. This is where travel desire begins. Think about what ignites that spark for a holiday. How can you help them make their dreams become a reality? Next is the planning stage. Now they're sold on the idea of your destination, so how can we make it real for them? The aim with this stage is to offer invaluable insights that truly make the trip unique. Stage 3 is booking. Now have a think about how they will book. How good is your booking process? How will you encourage them to book with you? This is where you need to further install trust in the customer's mind. Next is a stage that is often brushed aside, but brimming with potential: cancellation. If someone backs out, how can we rekindle that interest and entice them back? It's not just about regaining a booking, it's about showing that you care. Hopefully the customer is now at the experiencing stage. They've landed, engaged in your tours, tasting local cuisines, or perhaps discovering hidden gems you've recommended. But engagement shouldn't end. Ensure they're savouring every moment and always be on hand to enhance their experience. Finally, we have sharing. The customer's journey and your destination may be over, but your brand story continues. Here, you should encourage social media shares, storytelling, reviews, referrals, and, of course, repeat business. Let's focus on the dreaming stage. This is where you're not just selling a place, but selling an idea, selling an emotion. So content at this stage should be inspirational. For example, let's pretend this business is a family-focused food tour operator. Maybe you want to create a destination guide on reasons to plan a trip this year to your destination. Or maybe another on the top 10 things to do with kids. Being a father myself, I know how hard it is to get kids off of devices, so parents will love suggestions to keep them entertained. Now, although these guides may or may not be fully focused on your business, the point here is to start building trust with the consumer by being helpful. This will help them remember you and hopefully come back to book with you. On these cards, you may see an arrow pointing down to a platform or medium. This is where you place the platform you wish to distribute this content out to. It could be multiple platforms, so place as many as you feel is required. But for this demo, we'll promote these guides using Facebook ads. You may also provide a lead magnet. This could be a hidden landing page of local recipes to try at home, or by signing up, they receive a PDF cookbook of these recipes. This allows you to capture potential customers' details. Again, we will use Facebook ads to promote this. As we transition to planning, remember this stage is all about adding value and building trust. Again, with kids in mind, maybe create a downloadable scavenger hunt to keep kids engaged and entertained. Creating another destination guide on how to spend 5 days in your destination, maybe tying in some of your own product offerings while offering others, maybe from partners. Providing recommendations on restaurants is also something that may help them along the journey. As we have encouraged them to sign up using the initial lead magnet, we can provide these guides as an email drip campaign. For booking, it is important to ensure transparency and trust. Make it a no-brainer for that customer to book with you. Now, for this operator, they offer completely custom experiences, so they are more inquiry-focused. Offer options like direct calls, or better still, using platforms like Calendly to schedule a video call with yourself. Although we want to encourage direct bookings from your website, we have also included an OTA platform card, as this is a viable booking option too. If they cancel, view this as an opportunity. Don't just brush that customer to the side and forget about them. Use tools like SMS, emails, or even a direct call to understand their concerns. Why did they cancel in the first place? Maybe it's just about adjusting dates or offering a more unique deal. Maybe send them a lead magnet to encourage them to come back. A discount is fine at this stage as you have lost the booking anyway, so that may encourage them to come back. With the idea cards we have provided, you can add as many touch points during this stage as you see fit. Hopefully your customers have booked and did not cancel, so they are now at the experiencing stage. However, the journey is as much yours as it is theirs. Celebrate their adventures, be a part of their story, and set the stage for the upcoming sharing phase. Here you may wish to send them further information to enhance their stay. Maybe a guide on free things to do in your destination. They will appreciate this type of information, especially those travelling as a family. Maybe even a map of the best photography sites in your destination so they can take amazing family photos. The platform you may wish to choose to send this information is SMS or here, WhatsApp. Finally, we're at the sharing stage. Your customers have had an amazing experience, so here we want to encourage them to share photos and videos, tagging you in so your brand is being promoted to other potential customers. One way is to run a competition to win a gift card for the best photo or video that has been taken that month. They can then use this gift card for a repeat visit, or they can pass it on to a friend. Maybe as a gift card for one of your restaurant partners that they actually visited during their stay. Whatever you do at this stage, encourage feedback, reviews, photos, and engagement to extend your brand's reach. Now, I hope and trust that this gives you a clear picture of the power and versatility of the Customer Journey Toolkit. It is more than just a tool. It is a compact, pocket-sized brainstorming buddy. Beyond the ready-made ideas, it invites creativity with blank cards to jot down those aha moments that may strike. The toolkit is also a great way of plugging in any gaps you may be missing in your current strategies. Whether it is the often neglected cancellation stage or the thrill of the experiencing stage, there's always room to enhance, upsell, or simply delight your customers. This Customer Journey Toolkit isn't just a tool, it's your secret weapon. Tailor your marketing strategies to resonate with your customers at each touch point. Eliminate those blind spots in your current tactics and experience the empowerment as your team genuinely connects with your business's vision. For marketing agencies, imagine the edge you'll have in client meetings and in workshops. Picture the smiles of gratitude when you hand over this game-changing toolkit to your clients to keep. Embark on your own journey with the Customer Journey Toolkit and watch as it not only amplifies your marketing but also paves the way for you to increase your revenue.